Okay, welcome to all of you, my dear students. In our previous lecture, we will study all the concept of regarding force and pressure. And in our previous video, we also studied some questions, but these questions is from other books, so no need to write down that question in your fair copy. So today we will discuss exercise solution, and this question you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, some student ask me, sir, those questions you are making, we have not this book which have me, so I confirm from management and I take those book which you have. Okay, so don't worry, today we will discuss on this exercise and all these questions you have. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me. So first take the correct option. Okay, so all of you have book, please confirm. First question, which of the following is our effect of force? First question, and there are option: motion in stationary object, second, motion stop a moving object, and third, change direction of motion, and D, all of these. So what is the answer of this question? We discuss on this topic the effect of force. Motion in stationary object, this is the effect of force. Second, stop a moving object, this is also a effect of force. Third, change direction of motion, this is also the effect of force. So the correct answer is D, all of these. So please tick on option D. Okay, second question, we measure liquid pressure with a, there are four options: manometer, thermometer, barometer, and calorimeter. Okay, so you studied that the atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. So this is the liquid pressure, and liquid pressure is measured by liquid gauge or pressure gauge. So pressure gauge is also known as manometer. So write option number A, manometer. Okay, this is the answer, option number A. Please tick option number A. Third question, what is the SI unit of for measuring force? What is the SI unit for measuring force? There are four options: Newton, second, kilogram force, and third, Pascal, and D, none of this. Okay, all of you know about this. Answer is Newton. What is the answer of this question? Question number 3, Newton. Please write down Newton for this question. Okay, option number A. What is the correct option? Option number A, Newton. Okay, now question number 4, an object is attracted towards the earth due to there are four options: muscular force, frictional force, gravitational force, and magnetic force. So what is the answer? That is the gravitational force. Gravitational gravitational forces. Gravitational forces. This question is also discussed in our previous question. Okay, now question number 5. Which of the following is our non-contact force? Which of the following is our non-contact force? And what is non-contact force? There is no contact between two objects. Okay, so first option, magnetic force. Second, electrostatic force. Third, gravitational force. And fourth, all of these. So all of you know that the example or types of non-contact force, that is a gravitational force, magnetic force and electrostatic force. So what is the answer of this question? Option number D, all of these. All of these. Okay, all of these. Now second, fill in the blanks. Second, fill in the blanks. So write the fill in the blanks from your textbook and answer. First, liquid exert on the base of the container. Liquid exert dash. What is the answer? Liquid exert pressure. Liquid exert pressure on the base of the container. This is the first answer. Okay. Second, liquid exert pressure at the same depth. Question number second, liquid exert equal pressure at the same depth. What is the answer? Equal pressure. Equal pressure. Equal pressure. This is the answer of second question. Now question number third, when we go to high altitudes, then decreases. Which decreases, which quantity decreases? So what is the answer? When we go to the high altitude, जब आप ऊंचाई पर जाते हैं, okay, then which things will be decreases or reduce? So the answer is then pressure decreases. Pressure decreases. Okay, pressure decreases. Question number 4. The force with which two objects attract each other is. The force with which two objects attracts each other is. Which force which is responsible for the attraction of two objects? That is the gravitational force. Okay, gravitational force. And next question, bullocks use dash force to perform a task. Bullock use dash force to perform a task. जो बुलैक होता है वो किस टास्क को किस फोर्स का यूज करके अपने टास्क को परफॉर्म करता है? टास्क मीन्स टू पुल अ कार्ट. Okay, so the answer is which force responsible for this? That is a muscular force. Okay, this is a muscular force because there is a contact between muscles of bulls and cart. Okay, and last question number 6. A push or a pull on an object is called. A push or a pull on an object is called. All of you know that this is the definition. This is the definition. Force. A pull or push on any object is called force. So what is the answer of question number 6? That is the force. So we solve two questions. First one is tick the correct and second is fill in the blanks. Okay, so you don't write like this. Okay, first of all you write the complete sentence and the correct answer fill in the blanks. Okay, no need to write like this. Okay, and your objective question or tick the correct is also, first of all write the question, their option, and in bottom write the answer that is option number A or B, C, and write the answer. Okay, you have to write the full answer. So only no need to tick the correct option. Okay, so this is two exercise. Write down these two and next we will discuss soon.